going to go to image, file, actually, file, automate, and then it's image processor, actually. Yeah, see, I really know my stuff. Still subscribe because it's useful. So click on image processor. We're going to do this based on a folder. So I've got a previous folder there from I'm on a Mac, but so I'm just going to select my folder. In downloads, I have final images. These are all very heavy, so I'm just going to select that folder, and I'm going to save in the same location and keep the folder structure, and it's going to create this compressed folder for me, so I don't really want to mess with this too much. Go with a quality of 5, and you might want to resize them. So I like to resize them. 1400 width suits quite a few screens, but don't check that if your images are not too big, but they probably are, so you might need to resize. And there is a tip actually you can use to keep, you want to keep the same aspect ratio. So if we change that to 1600, you can see it doesn't change the height. So this, you might need to play around with that a bit depending on what you're going to use it for, but anyway, this is the tool you run, and then you click run. This will take quite a bit of time because there's quite a few in this folder. This is some work by Jason DeCaires Taylor. He's done an underwater art installation just outside a resort in the Maldives, and this is going to go on one of my content marketing pieces, and as such I need optimized images. So when that's all done, I will get my images in a compressed folder, and that's how you do it. So please click subscribe if you like this, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you find, and if you need any other videos doing, see if I can help you out. Thanks a lot. Bye.